attic access doors, there is a provision there that they have to be weather stripped, they have to be air sealed. And nowadays you can buy pull-down stairs that have integral weather stripping already built into them. They work very, very well. A lot of homes that we go into, you'll see a big return in a hallway and a pull-down stairway right next to it. And if that stair isn't airtight, and a lot of times the panels are warped, where you can see up into the attic, when that HVAC system is running, it's going to pull air. It doesn't care where it comes from. It's pulling attic air continually into that system. So it's got to be weather stripped. Here's where the code isn't really clear. What it says is that these have to be insulated to the surrounding levels. But I've yet to see a product out there for pull-down stairs that you can insulate to an R30. There isn't. We have seen people try to put a piece of bat insulation under the treads, and whenever I see them, I pull them out because they're, in my mind, a safety issue, more of a liability. You as a builder, if you put a piece of bat under that stair, and a homeowner's climbing that ladder with something in their hands and they fall off, their lawyer is going to be looking for somebody to sue. Okay? So you don't want to impede their footing. But you can buy these things with a piece of R5 rigid insulation board shoved up underneath it and given it some harm value. Okay? Those fiber covers that you can buy, you probably do that as part of your retrofits, I would imagine. These covers that you can buy to go over the top of the pull-down stair with a zip-out liner, they work pretty well because they're air sealing the device. They may have like an R value of 1 or 2 to it, so it's not a real good insulation value, but it's the air sealing that's critical. So we got pull-down stairs. Now, if you're doing the scuttle panels, like we have over here in this house, that we have to air seal it, so you can use peel and stick weather strip on top of the casing. So you get your casing, put that peel and stick around the perimeter, so when the panel sits down on top of it, it makes that assembly airtight. Okay. And then there you can quite easily glue or staple a piece of bat insulation to the top of that panel. Okay. It works very, very well. This is a picture of actually my house. We use our house for training, and I've literally been up and down that attic access probably well over 200 times. And I took a piece of bat insulation and spray adhesive, and I glued it to the top of that sheetrock, and it's been there for 7 years. I mean, it stays forever. Okay. And then the other thing you have, obviously, is attic knee wall doors. So again, they have to be weather stripped, and there, it is a pretty easy thing for adding a piece of bat insulation to the back of that, trying to add the R value. See, they're pretty typical around here.